Meaning of depopulate.
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 Depopulate. The term depopulate means to significantly reduce or completely empty the population of a particular area or region. This could happen due to various reasons such as natural disasters, wars, famine, diseases, or deliberate actions like genocide. The outcome of depopulation is devastating as it can leave the affected area desolate and barren, with little to no signs of human habitation. It can lead to a loss of cultural heritage, social structures, and economic systems, along with the emotional toll on the survivors who may have lost family members and friends.